Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So about this time every year, I like to share what I found to be my most useful GoPro mount. And this year, it's actually something quite interesting and actually very surprising to me. This here is a neck mount by Telesin, and in full transparency, they actually sent it to me, but it was back in like May or June of this year. I've actually been using it for quite some time. When they first sent it to me, I was a little bit apprehensive about it. I didn't know how useful it would be. I have actually owned a neck mount in the past. It was like a cheap plastic one, and that turned out to be something that just wasn't really feasible to use. It wasn't comfortable to wear. It was pretty small and more felt like it was choking me when I would wear it. But the Telesin one here is actually quite a bit different. And this has probably become one of my most used GoPro mounts. In fact, this has become so important to me and my channel, I ended up buying two more. I've got this one here, and I've got a brand new one here still in the box. Now, the reason why I decided to buy two more is because, like I said, this has become very important to me and creating content on my channel. And I want to make sure that I always have backups because products like this, sometimes they come and go. They're available for a year or two, and then the manufacturers stop making them. So I just wanted to make sure I have longevity, that if something happens to one, I still have backups because I do rely on them quite a bit now. So let's talk about what it is and some of the features and why it's very important to me. First of all, like mentioned, this is a neck mount, so you wear it around your neck. And basically what it does, it gives you a nice point of view shot similar to that of wearing a chest mount. The problem with chest mounts is they work very well for most of the situations, but sometimes they're not very comfortable to wear. They can look a little odd in some situations, but something like this is very convenient to use. It's easy to take on and off, and it's actually quite versatile. It's made of this nice soft rubber material that's very flexible. Unlike those plastic ones that can't mold to the shape of your neck and shoulders, this one here can. It's easy to put on and off. There's a button at the back there. You just press it, and as you can see, it releases that connector there. You put it around your neck, and then it just clips in. We have a magnetic GoPro mount here. As you can see, all we have to do is twist it, and it comes right out. That makes switching out your camera or changing settings quite easy. It's held in there magnetically, and of course it twists and locks in. It comes with a variety of accessories. We get a mount here to allow you to mount your GoPro vertically if you so wish, if you want to get some vertical content. It comes with a 1/4-20 mount adapter, and it even comes with a smartphone holder, because you can actually mount a smartphone holder in there, and it actually works quite well. I've done that on a few occasions. And of course, a thumb screw. Now, when mounting a GoPro in it, you can mount it upright or even upside down, or as mentioned, you can mount it vertically. Now, one thing I have done here to kind of mod mine a little bit is I've added this extension. Right now I've got a dual mount system on it because I was doing some comparisons the other day. But what this extension does, it allows me to wear it around my neck and still see the GoPro screen. So quite often when I'm flying, I'm filming stick cam footage or point of view footage. I can mount my GoPro or my Osmo Action 2 or even my smartphone. I can still see what I'm filming, and it does help me frame the shots. The system works quite well. A lot of the footage you've seen on my channel this summer, some of the B-roll footage, point of view footage, me riding my e-bike when I was doing comparisons, all of that was filmed with this neck mount. Mounting a smartphone in there gets a little bit awkward because it is fairly heavy, but even when I was riding my bike with two GoPros mounted, if you just have one GoPro mounted to it, it stays nice and flush against your chest, and you can angle it to whatever suits you best. Now, this neck mount isn't going to replace a chest mount. There, of course, are situations, especially if you are a mountain biker and you're capturing a lot of your rides. A chest mount just works better in those situations. But I think for the everyday average person, something like this is a good alternative. So yeah, that's basically all I have to say about it. I've really enjoyed using this product. Like I said, it's become very important to me and how I create my content. I'll include the links down below if you do want to go check it out further. If you're curious about the piece that I do have on here, if you want something similar, this was actually part of the GoPro Jam. I don't know if some of you recall that mount. It was really originally designed to mount on instruments. I don't think GoPro sells it anymore, but there are some third-party versions available on Amazon still. But it works really well. You can twist your camera, you have different angles, and it just keeps it out far enough that you can see what you're filming. Well, folks, that's basically it for this video. Again, probably my most used mount this year, and definitely one that I could not live without. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's always greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.